Over the years, I've taken my DJI drones to my favourite location, Lady Bay in South Australia, to do some video footage. Here's a comparison right up to date to the brand new Avata 360. The oldest drone in the lineup is the Phantom 4 Pro, but with its 1-inch sensor, it has a very pleasing ability to produce good quality video. Mavic 2 Pro still going strong, producing great video and excellent photographs. Mini 3 Pro still going. It's a very versatile little drone with very pleasing video, great photography and excellent 360 photographs. The Air 3, possibly my favourite drone at the moment for quality of video. The Neo 2, what a versatile little drone, quite usable footage. My newest drone is the Avata 360. 360 is a lot of fun to play with, but quality of video, particularly in this single lens mode, it's not really up to speed. I'll keep working with the Avata. I love 360 photography, so let's see if we can't get it up to a quality that is pleasing to me and you.